हेलो दोस्तों, इंग्लिश विद BH1 में आपका स्वागत है। चलिए इस वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं, पर इससे पहले अगर ये वीडियो आपको नॉलेजेबल लगे तो इस वीडियो को शेयर एंड लाइक करें। गलती से भी इसे मत छूना। डोंट टच इट इवन बाय मिस्टेक। डोंट टच इट इवन बाय मिस्टेक। क्या तुम एक बात जानते हो? डू यू नो वन थिंग? डू यू नो वन थिंग? मैं उनमें से किसी को नहीं जानता। I don't know either of them. I don't know either of them. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं गलत था। I don't think I was wrong. I don't think I was wrong. पता नहीं मुझे ये कहना चाहिए या नहीं। I don't know if I should say this. I don't know if I should say this. नहीं, मैं उससे अब और झूठ नहीं बोल सकता। No, I can't lie to him anymore. No, I can't lie to him anymore. अब तुझे क्या हो गया है? What has happened to you now? What has happened to you now? मैं जॉब छोड़ रहा हूँ। I am leaving the job. I am leaving the job. मुझे नहीं पता कि इसे कैसे ठीक करना है। I don't know how to fix this. I don't know how to fix this. उसने बस थोड़ी देर काम किया। He worked just for a while. He worked just for a while. मुझे उसके बारे में कल पता चला। I got to know about her yesterday. I got to know about her yesterday. इसमें कितना समय लगेगा? How long will it take? How long will it take? तुम्हें जो कहना है कहो। Say whatever you want to say. Say whatever you want to say. वो नहीं जानती कि हम कौन हैं। She doesn't know who we are. She doesn't know who we are. मुझे तुमसे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। I don't want anything from you. I don't want anything from you. तुम्हें क्या काम था? What work did you have? What work did you have? तुम दोनों इतने चुप क्यों हो? Why are both of you so quiet? Why are both of you so quiet? मैंने कहा तुम्हें मेरा पीछा मत करो। I told you not to follow me. I told you not to follow me. कोई आया अभी तक? Has anybody come at? Has anybody come at? तुम मुझे ये अब बता रहे हो। You are telling about it now. You are telling about it now. मैं पहले कुछ नहीं कर सका। I could not do anything earlier. I could not do anything earlier. मैंने बस एक अंदाज़ा लगाया। I just made a guess. I just made a guess. अब सब कुछ तुम्हारे हाथ में है। Now everything is in your hands. Now everything is in your hands. कौन से पैसे की बात कर रहे हो तुम? What money are you talking about? What money are you talking about? मुझे पता था तुम खुश हो जाओगे। I knew you would be happy. I knew you would be happy. मैं तुम्हें इस तरह नहीं देख सकता। I cannot see you like this. I cannot see you like this. पता चल जाएगा तुम्हें। You will come to know. You will come to know. तेरा मेहनत बेकार नहीं जाएगा। Your hard work will not go in vain. Your hard work will not go in vain. जल्दी करो नहीं तो तुम्हें देर हो जाएगी। Hurry up or you will be late. Hurry up or you will be late. बताओ मुझे डॉक्टर ने क्या कहा? Tell me what the doctor said. Tell me what the doctor said. तू खाने के लिए तरसेगा। You will crave for food. You will crave for food. मेरा दोबारा नहाने का मन कर रहा है। I feel like taking a bath again. I feel like टेकिंग अ बाथ अगेन। उसे नहीं पता कि कहना क्या है। He doesn't know what to say. He doesn't know what to say. मुझे नहीं लगता कि आज बारिश होगी। I don't think it will rain today. I don't think it will rain today. मैं यहाँ अभी भी आया हूँ। I have just arrived here. I have just arrived here. क्या तुम साथ आओगे? Will you come along? Will you come along? मैं यहाँ जितनी जल्दी हो सके आया। I came here as fast as I could. I came here as fast as I could. मेरे लिए कोई बड़ी बात नहीं। Not a big deal for me. Not a big deal for me. तुम अपने आप को समझते क्या हो? What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? मैं उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं जानता। I don't know anything about him. I don't know anything about him. इस दवाई ने मेरा दर्द कम कर दिया। This medicine lessened my pain. This medicine lessened my pain. थोड़ी देर के लिए मेरे साथ रहो। Stay with me for a while. Stay with me for a while. मीटिंग 2 घंटे तक चली। The meeting lasted for 2 hours. The meeting lasted for 2 hours. हमें कई कठिनाइयों से पार पाना है। We have to overcome many difficulties. We have to overcome many difficulties. मुझे टैक्सी कहाँ मिल सकती है? Where can I find a taxi? Where can I find a taxi? क्या तुम जानते हो कि वो कहाँ है? Do you know where she is? Do you know where she is? क्या वे उससे मिले हैं? Have they met her? Have they met her? क्या आपने अपना काम कर लिया है? Have you done your work? Have you done your work? मैं मीटिंग में शामिल नहीं हो सका। I could not attend the meeting. I could not attend the meeting. तुम कहाँ से आए हो? Where have you come from? Where have you come from? कल रात मुझे एक बुरा सपना आया। I had a nightmare last night. I had a nightmare last night. तुम मुझे बताओगे क्या हुआ? Will you tell me what happened? Will you tell me what happened? मैं नहीं जानता कि वो क्या चाहता है। I don't know what he wants. I don't know what he wants. तुमने मुझे वो नहीं बताया। You did not tell me that. You did not tell me that. जाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। There is no need to go. There is no need to go. तुमने उससे क्या कहा? What did you tell her? What did you tell her? मैं अब यहाँ और नहीं रहना चाहता। I don't want to stay here anymore. I don't want to stay here anymore. ये चीज़ें मेरी नहीं है। These things are not mine. इसका मतलब क्या है? What does it mean? What does it mean? तुम यहाँ कैसे आए? How did you come here? How did you come here? मेरे पास बिल्कुल भी समय नहीं है। I don't have time at all. I don't have time at all. चारों ओर देखते रहना। Keep looking around. Keep looking around. मुझे नहीं पता कि वो कहाँ गया। I don't know where he went. I don't know where he went. मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये एक अच्छा आइडिया है। I don't think it is a good idea. I don't think it is a good idea. आपकी सलाह हमेशा मेरी मदद करती है। Your advice always helps me. उसे अब अपनी जॉब पसंद नहीं है। He doesn't like his job anymore. He doesn't like his job anymore. मैं एक पल के लिए कंफ्यूज हो गया. I got confused for a moment. I got confused for a moment. वो मेरे पीछे पीछे फिर रहा है. He is running after me. He is running after me. मुझे कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. I don't understand anything. I don't understand anything. मैं तुम्हारी बात सुनना नहीं चाहता. I don't want to listen to you. I don't want to listen to you. मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा हूँ. I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. Thank you for watching this video. You may check a playlist on this channel. You will find many videos like this. Thank you again. Bye bye.